Hello, we have already learned how to upload shapefiles to the platform. Now, we will learn how to do the same with CSV files. We go to the Content tab and look for our map. And we go directly to Map Viewer Classic. This time we will add points of water use rights. We have these in a CSV file. We will open it. We edit the file in a format that is easy to read by ArcGIS Online. First, we will separate the fields. We select the entire first column. Now we go to Data and select Text to Columns. We select Delimited, click on Next, and in the Delimiter section, we check the semicolon box. Keep in mind that the character with which the values of the file are separated will depend on your computer. In my case, it is the semicolon. We click Finish, and our fields are splitted to avoid errors in import. We will paste the X and Y columns in the first positions and take the opportunity to change the names to Longitude and Latitude. An important note is that we have a field with date and time. We will set it in a format that allows ArcGIS Online to read it. To do this, I will add the same field at the end. I write the name and I will change the cell type. We set it as text. Let's copy the field here, but we'll add AMPM to better match the ArcGIS Online format. Let's delete the original field as well as this other empty field. Once this is done, we will save. We go back to our map and bring the layer. Let's click on Import Layer. We will try another way of importing the file a bit faster. We remove the recently loaded layer, and this time we only drop the file directly on the map. In the Choose an Attribute to Show section, we will select Show Location Only and then click on Done. Remember to save the changes after each session. We have learned how to load comma-separated value files in ArcGIS Online.